Hey there, we just got done watching the Netflix film Spaceman from 2024. It was 1 hour and 48 minutes long, rated R, starring Adam Sandler. It's zero gravity, isolation, insomnia. Space takes a toll on a lone astronaut as he tries to fix his broken marriage with help from a strange alien creature. We gave this a 1 thumbs up on the little Netflix rating. What'd you think, Lisa?
It was different, that's for darn sure.
It was really long.
Yeah, it was drawn out. I wouldn't watch it
The
again.
hour 48 felt like a over 2 hour movie, easy. There were a lot of areas where it just was really slow. I thought it was, a well-written story, and I did like what the alien creature looked like and how they did that. I thought that was, done pretty decently. But I wouldn't watch it again. And I really wouldn't recommend it unless you are a avid Adam Sandler fan and you just have to watch everything he makes, or you're really into like emotional journeys.
Yeah.
Because that's what this takes you on.
Yeah.
Exactly. An emotional journey. So, but yeah, if you've seen Spaceman, let me know what you thought. I will see if I can find a trailer. If I can, I will pin it below. And yeah, let me know if you've seen it and what you thought of it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.